Bonsoir. So we're now working on the very tail end of page 3, la page 3. At the bottom, I didn't quite get to dates yesterday, and so I am going to go over that now. I'm just going to move my computer closer to me so that you can hear me. Alright, so I'm closer to the microphone. Hopefully you can hear the sound now. Alright, so translate the following dates to French. So first we have to know today, tomorrow, and today. So we're going to first write the word for today, aujourd'hui. The word for tomorrow, when I say to you, à demain, that's what I'm saying, see you tomorrow. And aujourd'hui. So we'll start with that. Make sure you spell this, J-A-U-O-J-O-U-R-D apostrophe H-I-H-U-I. Aujourd'hui. Alright, and then we need the word for is. Alright, this is like it, which is the same as he or she, and this is our verb être. Aujourd'hui est. Demain est. Alright, now, first thing we need to write is the day of the week, just like in English. And so Monday is lundi. Friday, we should all know this from my song, vendredi. And Sunday, dimanche. If you don't know these days of the week, you need to make sure that you write out the dates. And we have lundi. Remember, the week in French starts with Monday, not with Sunday. They start their week on the day you go to work. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, and then the weekend is samedi. Oh, sorry, I'm going to move this over a little bit. Samedi et dimanche. Alright, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Alright, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are at the end of the week, hence why they call it the weekend. Alright, and then our next part is the actual date. April 16th, May 1st, June 8th. There is no 1st, 16th, 8th. Well, there is a 1st. But you cannot say it the same way in French. You have to say the 16th of April, the 1st of May, the 8th of June. Alright, so we're going to start with our article to say the. Le. Easy. Masculine, because it's generic. The date doesn't actually have, well, has a gender. It's masculine. Alright, so le, and then we're going to put our number in French, 16. Alright, the first, as we know from 11th grade, le premier. Remember, the premiere is always the first movie you watch. And the 8th, we're going to say le 8. Alright, so for all dates except for the 1st, you're going to just put the number that you see, 16, 8. And then we need to put the month. Le 16 avril is the month. Le 1er mai. Le 8 juin. Okay, so if you are not sure about your months or your days of the week, you're going to look at Chapter 4 for months, where we did activities with weather, months, seasons, and you're going to look back at days of the week when we did our class schedules, which was in Chapter 3, when we did class schedules. Alright, now, what is the formula for writing out the dates? We put day of the week, then we add le, we add the number, and we add the month. That is why So let's say we're going to put an example, like we did up here, lundi le 16 avril. And that is why when we write the date, they write it backwards from us. They write le 16 4. Instead of 4/16, they write 16/4. Okay, so this would be le 16 avril. This gets a little tricky when you're in the single-digit months. When you have February, March, April, and you have single-digit dates. So when you see le 3, 4, that's not March 4th, but the 3rd of April. All right, on to the next page. We are now on page 4. I'm telling you right now, this is going to be more than one video. I'm not going to be able to fit it all in here. Time. Write the following times in French. All right, so remember military time. We have il est 13h45. Or you could also write 14h 14h moins, remember that, moins le quart. Ooh, I cannot fit that in there, sorry. Moins le quart, 14h moins le quart. Alright, so you're going to either go up the hour, or you're going to go, you're either going to do the 45, or you're going to do the minus the quarter hour. Okay, and in that case, you have to find the next hour coming up, and then minus the quarter hour. Alright, let's do this. AM. So it's either minuit 30. Okay. Minuit 30. Or it is 1h moins. Not moins. Et demi. Alright. 1h et demi. So if you have 1h et demi, that is going to be one. Oh, it's not 1h et demi. Oh man, I'm just all messing up here. This should say minuit et demi. Right, so we have minuit 30 or minuit et demi. My bad. I'm very sorry. You can only do minus when it's past 30. 4:15 a.m. 4h 15 or 4h et quart. Okay, so 15 or et quart. That's a T. 12:10 p.m. midi 10. That's it. Or you can say 12h10. Okay. Notice I don't write minutes on there. I just say the 10. Okay. And if you say midi 10 or 12h10, that's 10 after 12. Demonstrative adjectives. So, before we do this next section, we need to look down here. Does it say somewhere where are my demonstrative adjectives? Ooh. Complete with the correct demonstrative adjective. Alright, let's write what they are first. We have ce, masculine singular. CET, masculine before a vowel. We haven't seen these in a while. CETTE, feminine, singular. Okay. CES, masculine, plural. And CETTES, feminine, plural. No. Oh my gosh, I need to go home. It's been a very long day. CES is just plural. Just plural. Man, I'm really messing up. Alright, we only have 4 of them. Singular or plural? I'm sorry, I'm really tired. This has been a horrible day. Alright, it means man. Setum, because it's considered a vowel. H's are silent, so the first sound we hear is O. Setum. Problème is plural. Ces problèmes. These problems. Tarte aux pommes is feminine. La tarte. Cette tarte aux pommes. This apple pie. Garçon, we know that's boy, because we don't mow the boy. Ce garçon. And girls, ces filles. Plural. Okay? My bad, I'm so sorry. I messed that up. I'm tired. That's not an excuse, though. I'm still doing my work here. Alright, vegetables. So, we're going to complete with the correct partitive, meaning are we having some of it or the whole thing? Or the definite article, which is we're having the, or the indefinite article, we're having a. Alright, so let's look down here. What are the partitives? We saw those today. De la, de l'apostrophe, du, de. These all mean some. When do you use them? When you don't take, eat, or drink all of it. Okay? When you're only going to have some of it. Obviously, the word some tells us the whole thing. When you're only going to have some of it. What are indefinite articles? Un, une, or des. They mean an, or some. If you have a pizza, I ordered a pizza, but if you're ordering more than one pizza, you're going to say I ordered some pizzas. Okay? Or some pizza. When do you use them? When you eat or drink one of something, one whole, or the whole thing. One of something or the whole thing. Alright? I am buying a pizza. I'm buying a one of something, one whole pizza. Okay? Or I'm drinking a Coke, one whole glass of Coke. What are the definite articles? Le, la, l'apostrophe, or les. These mean the. After which verbs do you use them? Aimer, to like. Adorer, to love. Détester, to hate. Préférer, to prefer. You have to use them after these. It's not a choice. Some of us think that's a choice. Alright, stay tuned for video 2. Shoot, almost.